Hello friends, I'm going to make hummus. First of all, add the tahini sauce. This is tahini sauce. Add lemon juice. Blend the tahini sauce and lemon juice for 1 minute. This is our tahini sauce and lemon juice. Now add 2 cups of chickpeas. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add some garlic. Put some cumin seeds. Salt to taste. Look at this friends, perfect hummus. Put the olive oil. Wow. Homemade hummus is very delicious friends. Try it once. This is heavenly. Hello dear friends, I'm going to make sabat masoor and is in English we call it whole pink lentils. Let's make it. Soak the lentils for 2 hours. Wash the lentils very well. Add the water in the pan. I put 3 big glasses of water. Now let's add the lentils. Add salt to taste. Add turmeric. Mix everything very well. Cover it and cook for 30 minutes. While our lentils are getting cooked, I'm going to start making stuff for tadka. For tadka, I need garlic and cumin seed, red crushed pepper, bay leaf and cardamom. The lentils are perfectly cooked. Now let's make tadka. 1 cup of cooking oil, garlic paste. Add the spices. Put the tadka. Lentils are ready. Hey friends, I'm going to make a tahini sauce and I am going to use sesame seeds. Add the seeds on the pan and let's lightly toast. You can see that the sesame seeds are getting little brown. In my language we call them til. I toast the sesame seeds for 5 minutes. Now let's add in our blender. Blend now. I'm using extra virgin olive oil and you can use any kind of oil you want. The key is that you have to mix over and over and blend again. Wow, it's becoming a paste now. It's almost done. Add salt to taste. Look at this guys. Homemade tahini sauce. Please follow and share with others.